What's up, guys? We're back. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Today we are going to try to plant my Gwen avocado that I've had in a 15-gallon. It's been sitting there for a while. So follow along as we get this thing in the ground, and hopefully if you guys have some time and if you guys got your avocados in a pot, this might be the perfect time to get them planted. I wish I would have made a little bit more time to get all of mine planted earlier, but it is what it is, and it's time to go. All right, here it is. This thing, this is why I prefer 5 gallons. It was heavy, so I'm breathing a little hard. It's all good. So I got it down here, and we are gonna get it planted. So dug the hole, filled it up with water, and made sure it drained. And so I want to show you what this Gwen looks like right now. This is sorry guys, I had a gnat fly right in my eye at the right time. Jeez. Okay, so this Gwen is fruiting, and I am going to try to leave it on there. So there's more, and not all over the place, but considering it was in this pot, it's like a 15-gallon pot, and it's fruiting, we'll take it. So now this is going to be interesting. Don't know if I can actually pull it out without damaging anything, so I'm gonna have to cut it out. So we'll see how that goes. It's out of the pot. You can definitely see all the roots nice and white, which is good. That's what we want to see. Pretty healthy, even down there too. That's great. So as you can see, I got it a little raised up also. Again, I'm not taking any chances anymore. So from ground level up, it's about probably, what is that? About one hand, 5.5 inches or so. So now it's just a matter of what I like to do is just mix some gypsum into this, and then a little perlite, and backfill all of this. This is all native soil, nothing organic at this point going in. So that's what we do. All right, it's finally in. You can see it's kind of like raised on a mound, and this is what it looks like today, April 7th. Actually, I'm sorry, May 7th. Time's just going by fast. May 7th, Saturday, May 7th, 2022. So excited to get this thing in the ground finally. And right now, if you can see, I have my blue marker, which is right there. That's the 5-foot mark. So from here you can see where the blue marker is. It's about 6 feet tall right now. So excited to finally make some time to actually get this thing in the ground. But why do you want a Gwen? So let me tell you, this thing is supposed to be kind of like a semi-dwarf, and it fruits really well. So back in the 80s, this was one of those Bob Berg developed in UCR as part of their UCR avocado program, and this was one of 3 that was selected. So the Gwen, the Witzel, and also the Ester were like the 3 that were kind of like selected. And I actually have the Gwen. I also have the Ester, which I'll show you. Here's my Carmen, my dragon fruit. Here's my Ester. So my Ester is growing nicely. And here's the 5-foot mark. So you can see, here it is. So it's a little bit over 5 foot right now. So this Ester, I just planted it just last year, pretty late last year. So you can see it's already fruiting. So supposedly this is 2/3 the size of a Hass tree, twice as productive as a Hass. So that's a good thing. And if you guys find one of these, you should probably get one. So I'm thinking that maybe I should get the Witzel also to complete the trifecta. So Witzel, Esther, and Gwen. So I don't know if I can find one. I guess I'll I'll pick one up, but kind of hard to find. So let's go back to the Gwen. But so this is kind of like a semi-dwarf, so it's a little bit of a smaller tree, but it fruits really well. Some say that this tastes better than a Hass avocado, and I've had one, and I would say it was actually really good. So to have this in your garden or in your backyard or in your orchard, definitely a must-have in my opinion. It grafts really well from what I've read. So, you know, if you were to take a little scion and graft it onto something else, it should take really well. So, and it's also precocious, so you'll get it to fruit relatively quickly. So this was in a 15 gallon, of course, and you guys know how I feel about 15 gallons. It's a little bit of a pain, but I was only able to find a 15 gallon, which is okay. So getting something like that in the ground, that's gonna help accelerate, and I'm good with that. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are having a good weekend, and off to the next. Talk to you guys later.